How to identify a misfire? See this, the engine is like vibrating. There's a misfire going on. So what you're going to do is just pull the connector on this ignition coil. Yep, see that? The vibration becomes stronger. So this means that this coil is okay. So this one, nothing happens. Still the same. So this coil is bad. So we're gonna replace it.